For over 17 years, Pinnacle Lighting Group has designed and built outdoor lighting for clients nationwide. We provide spectacular outdoor lighting that dramatically increases your property's splendor, safety, and visibility long after the sun has set. Whether you're interested in accentuating the archways and columns of your estate with splashes of light, or you long to bask in the beauty of a moonlit evening night after night, we proudly offer outdoor lighting solutions to suit any property or purpose.
I've been on over 10,000 large estate properties, and all the homeowners that you've worked with, that's where you get to tweak your designs and get things that nobody else can do.
People that we have on staff, everyone is having that same perspective of the client comes first. Their personality has to be known in order for us to match these designs to that personality of the homeowners before we go any further.
Our lighting not only creates a cohesion of light across your property, but also acts as a major deterrent to intruders by eliminating any dark areas. PLG meticulously combines these two purposes to develop an ideal lighting system personalized to each client's individual needs. We cater to individual homeowners and also provide turnkey solutions for architects, landscape architects, interior designers, home builders, remodelers, and landscape contractors.
Every project we do, we don't make anything permanent until the customers had a chance to see it and make it their own. And then we do a night viewing, which is usually a pretty grand event with the homeowner. We're with them right till the end of the process, till everything's to their satisfaction.
Over the years, we've developed a unique process that ensures that we fulfill that mission. We start with a site visit to meet our clients and understand what they want. Our design team then creates the perfect plan based on our clients' desires and technical needs. Our experienced team of lighting technicians travel to your location to perform the installation. After the installation, we provide a maintenance program that will keep your lighting running perfectly.
It's a family that I feel like I've become a part of because they're just great people. And the fact that they just know exactly what to do and how to do it, and they're quick and efficient. I've had a lot of landscape companies, and sometimes there are problems and they have to come back, but never with Pinnacle.
Whether you are looking to provide a stunning new wow effect to your property, give your landscaping more depth and definition, or improve safety and security by eliminating blind spots, PLG can provide artistic lighting solutions for your property. To learn more about the additional benefits that architectural lighting affords properties, contact Pinnacle Lighting Group today.